if you go back, you will remember that all the CTV channels wasn't registering any conversions at all from a UTM perspective, from a last click perspective. MMM was able to catch that because it is not dependent on last click conversions, using a causal regression method to estimate the impact. So it picked up some signal there. So it got pretty interesting for us. So what we did is we took this data, put it side by side with the last click data, and we were able to estimate the ROAS as estimated by MMM compared to platform ROAS and UTM ROAS. And what we're now finding is that search is weaker than what it's being reported. It's 2.3 versus 3. Facebook is probably a tad stronger, but the big win is CTV. CTV looks like it's 13 ROAS, almost much stronger than any of the other channels in the portfolio. Seemed like a huge win for the brand, right? So we said, this is amazing. Let's go make some decisions with it. What would we do if this is all true? So we said, okay, now if this is true, we would slash some search budgets. We will save $1 million. Take that $1 million, invest it into CTV channels, increase the investment there. We'll assume some diminishing returns. If we do all that, there's a 17% growth, top line growth for the brand, right? If all of this pans out. 17% is like $40, $50 million for the brand. So it was a huge opportunity for the brand to grow their top line and have a fantastic year. Growth that is inorganic growth that they wouldn't be able to get otherwise, right? So they said, okay, but yes, sir.
I do sound like attribution.